Alright guys, so we have come to the point where we need our database to be installed in our PC. So for this project we are going to install PostgreSQL database. It is the most powerful relational database system. So uh, for the Windows and Mac systems the installation is quite different. So what I'm going to do is I will give you two links in the resource section. One is for installing it in the Windows, another one is for installing it in the Mac. So hit pause here and go to the link and install your PostgreSQL database. Alright, I hope you have installed the PostgreSQL database. So go to search and type in pgadmin. It will open the browser window. For the first time users, I think it may ask you for creating a username and passwords and all those stuff. So I hope you have followed the YouTube video and set up all the things. And if you go here, expand the server and click on databases. So as you can see, I have 2, 3, 4 databases here. You might have 0 databases. So right click here and create database. Okay, let us name it carzone_db and the owner is Postgres. Click save. Okay, you can see the success message here. PostgreSQL DB has been created. Okay, so if you go inside this database, you will see these schemas. Expand the schemas. We don't have to understand all these things. Go to public and you see the tables here. All our database tables will go into this section. Okay. Next thing is we have to register our database inside our settings.file. So before we do it, okay, you can see here the colors has been changed here. That means we have not pushed the changes or we have not committed the code into our GitHub Git repository. So let us quickly do that now. Go to the project, Carzone project here. Right click, git bash here. Here, see the git status. Let's check what we have changed so far. See, since long time we have not committed anything. I think this is the good time to commit. Alright, now let us add this. Let us add all these changes to our git repo. Git add -a. Okay, we have added it. Now let's git commit -m. Let's do. Let's give any message here. So what created pages and configured navigation links. All right. Okay, we have committed it successfully. So let's check the status again. Okay, nothing to commit here. All right, let's exit it for now. So we have installed our database here. The next thing what we need to do is just go to settings.py file and here you go to databases. In here what you have to do, So by default, Django is configured for SQLite 3 database. In this project, we are not using SQLite 3. We are using Postgres. So let's just delete this and put our database name, that is carzone underscore db, and make sure to put comma, and then user colon, and our user is Postgres. So if you want to see which what I'm talking about, is that go to browser and right click on this create database. You can see the owner is the Postgres. Okay, that's what we are writing here. Okay, next is put the password. My password is QWERTY23. Okay, then the host. Okay, local host. Alright, make sure to put comma here as well. And yeah, the engine should be PostgreSQL. Okay, I hope everything is set up now. Once this is done, we have to create a model for our Teams app. So for now, let's stop here. In the next lecture, we will start creating a model for our Teams app. Alright, thank you.